Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail account to the Outlook app on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. This will load in all your existing emails and prepare the application for adding your new Gmail account. Once everything loads up and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward with adding your Gmail. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs up there, and one of them is labeled File. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open the File menu. This is where you'll find all the important account management options and settings for Outlook. Once the File menu opens, look at the side panel of the menu. You'll notice an option called Account Settings with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this Account Settings drop-down to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, click on Account Settings again. This will open a new window specifically dedicated to managing all your email accounts within Outlook. In the Account Settings window that appears, look for the Email tab at the top and click on it. This tab contains all your current email accounts and gives you the option to add new ones. Under the Email tab, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this new button to begin the process of adding your Gmail account. An email login window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll enter your Gmail credentials. Simply type in your Gmail email address in the field provided, then click the Connect button. Here's the important part. Outlook will automatically handle all the technical configurations for you. This means settings like IMAP, mail server, and ports will be configured automatically without you having to do anything manually. It's designed to make the process as simple as possible. After clicking Connect, a verification request will be sent to your Gmail account asking for permission to connect with Outlook. You'll need to check your Gmail and approve this request to complete the connection. Once you verify your account through Gmail, your Gmail account will be successfully added to your Outlook app and you'll be able to manage both accounts from one convenient location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.